Morning student. Today this is the last topic of this chapter number 4. Already we have discussed regarding what is metal, non-metal, physical and chemical properties and their uses also. Now we will study what is the uses of metals and non-metals. Metals, most probably basically we have familiar with the uses of metals. Many metals we use day-to-day life like iron, steel, aluminum, copper. These all are used in various applications, but most often we are unknown regarding non-metals. Day-to-day life we come across the uses of non-metals, but we are unfamiliar. So first one is non-metals are used, which is very essential in our life. For life it is essential, non-metals such as first one is oxygen. Oxygen we breathe in, oxygen we required for the survival of our life, to existence in this earth. We require oxygen to live. For all living things required oxygen for living. They breathe in oxygen and they breathe out carbon dioxide. This oxygen and carbon dioxide, these are all what? These are all non-metals. So which are very, very essential to exist on this earth or for the survival of this, for the survival of life. So first one is oxygen. If you talk about other metals like nitrogen and hydrogen, these are also used for various purposes. Nitrogen are used also, nitrogen gas, which are also used for storing some dry fruits, like you see packets of like kurkure you will find, and chips, dry chips you will find there. The nitrogen gas is present too. It will last for longer period of time. Got it now? So it will avoid, it will prevent for spoilage of food. So the nitrogen also used for various purpose in industries. Also phosphorus also used this as a fertilizers, as you have studied in first chapter. Phosphorus is a non-metals which are also used for manufacturing of fertilizers, also used for manufacturing of matchstick. Got it now? So if you look about the sanitation facilities in water is recycled with the use of some powder, colored powder, that is known as chlorine. Chlorine is used for purifying the water. So these are the non-metals which are very, very useful in our day-to-day life. And if you see diamond is the hardest substance on this earth, existing on earth. It is a non-metal, but diamonds are mostly composed of carbon atoms. It is made up of carbon atom, full of carbon atoms. So diamond and graphite these are non-metals. Where diamond is used for cutting glasses or making for very jewelries. So what it now? Jewelries and making for cutting glasses like silica glass. And if you talk about sulfur is used for making gunpowders, firecrackers. Got it now? Many dyes, many colors, paint. These are used by using sulfur. Sulfur is used. So got it now? These are the graphite. If you see, talk about graphite is used for manufacturing pencil, dry lead. You will find in pencil that black one. That is what? Graphite. Graphite also good conductor of what? Electricity. Got it now? So here also you will find iodine. Iodine is iodized salt. This salt also prevent us from goiter, disease called goiter. This is caused lack of salt. That is also we are prevent from what? Deficiency of salt. Iodine, deficiency of iodine leads to goiter. So this iodine also we as a substitute of iodine as such as salt we consume. These are the non-metals. If you talk about metals are very variety of uses in our day-to-day life. Metals like iron is used for constructing buildings. Aluminum is used for making utensils and many various appliances, electronic appliances, and various kinds of machines, aircraft, aeroplane, machines, and various types of things are made. Already we know what are the main purpose of uses of these metals and non-metals. They have variety of physical and chemical characteristics. Therefore, they are used for various purposes. This is the last topic of this chapter, and this chapter is completed. I will upload the exercise with question and answer, and also for exam is approaching, maybe next week or this coming week will be there, exam will be there. I will upload the pattern of exam pattern and also syllabus what to come. So chapter number 2, 3 and 4, these 3 chapter will come. You have to read books. If you read books, okay, then you just go through workbook. If you have completed, it is fine. If you have not completed, start writing, complete it. If you have doubt, any question you don't know, leave it and ask me. I will surely I will help you out to complete the workbook. Got it now? So this is the last topic of uses of metals and non-metals. I have not written here because the marker is not properly visible for you. I have to bring new marker so that I will in other classes there will be no disturbances like this. So I hope if any doubts, anything, you can approach me through WhatsApp. Got it now? So I hope you study well, be at home and study every day. Utilize at least 3 to 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours, that is less but very important. You have to be in touch with books, not other things. Got it now? So your mind should be stable. So your purpose is to study only, nothing else. So got it now? So I hope you understood chapter number 4, metals and non-metals. Higher classes you will study this topic only, related to this topic, but in depth you will study. Moreover, this in CBSE more details are not there. If you find in ISC books, ICSE books, you will find detail regarding these metals and non-metals with vast syllabus. So I hope you have understood this chapter. Next I will upload PDF of this chapter, and then we'll start right away. We'll start a 5th chapter. Got it now? Thank you.